Alright, for the ones who are interested, sorry, haven't posted in a while, we're gonna do a bench session tonight. Josh is gonna hit some deads.
Yay.
I deadlifted on Thursday, so I'm not gonna do it, but just got warmed up, pull motion, and a little bit of this guy here, rotator cuff. If I sit down, see how we feel tonight. Stretch out a bit. Ooh. You know that's gonna itch when it dries.
What do you think?
I said that's gonna itch when it dries.
I actually need the good shit.
Alright. So probably warm up with some 135. A couple other little rotator cuff things. Did a little bit of back pulling motion, kind of get everything where it needs to be. Little injury on the tendon, so we're gonna take it easy tonight. But we'll see how it goes. Better get that 405 there, boy. I got you in the corner over there. There he is. There you go. Just one tonight? Just one tonight?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I'm having a hard time figuring out what I want to do next. Between 225 for 2 or 205 for a couple. I don't know. I've already gotten 225 for 2, but like, I don't mind repping out.
Hit 205 once and then do 225. If not, do a shitload of 205.
All right, we'll see how 220 or 205 moves. All right, we're gonna hit 205. I'm gonna wait for him to grab 455.
Oh, I'm actually getting it. Fuck.
Yeah, you better. So I want one of my goals to work up to is getting 225 for 3. My max has been 235 so far. We're working for 245, but in the meantime, I want to get 225 for 3 first. So just gonna wait for him to go. If you guys ever watched regular show, this is Muscle Man, the green guy. Yeah.
That felt a little round.
That's fine. All right, let me get set up, try this out. Heels with a single. Like butter. That's good. All right, 205, 215.
You use flat.
No. Smooth butter.
225 it is.
225 is? 500. If he doesn't get it, I'll put his other one, his first attempt in there from before when he got it. Hope he gets it. Come on.
Fuck me, dude. Trying again. This is bullshit.
Butter. That was good. I'm happy with that. All right, we're gonna give it an attempt. I wasn't coming in here to try a max, but fail or succeed. Come on, come on. Ah. I figured I'd try it. Probably fatigued. There you go. We can fail together. The difference is he's gotten that before. I haven't gotten this. All right. So max on overhead press, I've gotten 135 for 10, and a 1 rep max, I think I've done 155 or 160. So we'll see what entails. See what happens. By the way, this does not help. It just keeps my tendon from being a piece of shit. Let's just put it that way. This tendon has been painful. Let's just put it that way.
Yeah.
No touch and go?
Huh?
No touch and go?
No touch.
All right. You're gonna feel that last one tomorrow.
Oh, I'm gonna. I feel it now. I gotta remember to breathe. I gotta get to the top and I'm fuck, I didn't breathe the last 2 reps. Come on, bitch. You gonna clean and jerk it? May I know the point? May I know the point?
I was bored.
Yeah.
225 isn't even real anymore. Pick it up.
Watch the headphone. One way you're going forward.
No, that's fine. 225 is not even real anymore.
I ain't doing that today.
No. Row it.
No. I need to get a good dedicated day in of just repping instead of let's just try to get that weight.
That's where I like that that day with the what do you call them? The deficits.
Put this there, fuck them.
I know it was there yesterday when I was trying to put shit away. Hit the stack for like 12. Get myself situated. Oh, this felt good. Physique boy update. Chest pump. It's kind of neat to see where the physique goes after getting strong. Not going for any bodybuilding shit, but kind of nice to see where you're at after so long. Lats from the pull-ups. Wonder if the camera will zoom in on that. The meats. I think we did all right. So basically called this series Lifting Until I Look Like an Anime Character. But the legs, just a bonus. But we're getting there. Happy with that. But that'll pretty much do it for tonight. Just kind of like a good push day. A little bit of legs, but nothing crazy. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next video. Hopefully bike content coming soon with more gym stuff. We're still road to 500 for the deadlift. So we're trying to shoot for that and trying to get our bench up. 225 for 3 is the next goal. See ya.